You made that?
Uh-huh.
All by yourself?
Uh-huh.
Let's see, show me. Who's on there?
Elmo.
Elmo. Do you like this new toy?
Yes. Daddy, we make Elmo this.
You need to make which one?
This.
Oh, that one?
This one.
Okay.
And where's the two white ones?
Well, you might have to take apart what you already made to make something else, sweetie. You got lots of pieces there, though. You can make all kinds of different things. You can even make up your own things to make.
We need to make this.
You want to make that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hey, baby. The two ones down like that. And
Yeah.
this one down there.
Yeah. Are we watching Sesame Street too?
Uh-huh. And this is Sesame.
Yeah, this is Sesame Street.
Uh-huh. And there's a picture on Sesame.
Uh-oh.
Where is it?
It went under the chair.
Can I get
Over
it?
there. Can I get it? Why don't you get it? Good job.
Got it. Now we just get off the wheel. So Emma can wear this.
What comes next? The purple one with the eyes, right? Where's the purple one with the eyes?
No, Mom, we got
Yeah? Okay. Good job.
but not yet.
Not yet? Okay, what comes next?
This one he will. These two.
Those two?
Uh-huh. Oh, I mean get this off.
Okay.
Where's it's a picture. What's the picture, Mama?
On the back of the box.
Where?
Oh, the other white one is right here. Right here by the wheels. There it is. Can you put those in the bottom of Elmo? Oh, I see.
We don't need a hat.
You don't need the hat for this one? Okay.
We just need the...
Let's look and see. What are we making? We're making this bottom one. Oops.
Where? Other one. Here.
Okay. Let's see how you're doing.
Like that.
Okay.
Picture.
I'm not gonna take a picture yet. I'm taking some video of you making it. Okay, let's see. Are you all done? Whoa! Uh-oh, Elmo came off. Good job. Alright, so this is a fun toy? Alright, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Alright, say bye.
Bye.